Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change your avatar on your PlayStation 5 account. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So it's actually very easy to change your avatar on your PlayStation 5. These are just some of the avatars I have on my different accounts on my PlayStation. Let's log into my main account, TimboSlicin, right here. Now, to change the avatar, it's very easy. Just go up to the top to your profile and select this. Then go to Profile. Then under here, we want to go all the way to the right to Edit Profile. Now, one thing I do want to point out is there is a difference between your profile picture and your avatar. Now, your profile picture can be a custom image or picture that will display to only your close friends. And your avatar will display to everyone. And you can pick if you want your close friends to see your profile picture or your avatar. So if you look by YT YourSixStudios, that is my avatar, the little guy waving. Then my profile picture is TimboSlicin, right to the left of that. So let's change my avatar now. So let's go to Edit Profile, then go to Avatar under here. And I believe they do not have any more avatars to buy or purchase on the PlayStation 5 store. I went in there recently and I couldn't see any. And I believe I got most of mine just by buying different games. So I have 429 in total. So I can go through this entire collection and pick one out and change it. So we have a lot of different categories on top. If you look through them, like military combat, puzzle, racing, retro, etc. And then I believe the premium ones on the top are the ones that I did indeed buy. So I have 46 of these. So let's go ahead and just choose one of these. And I was going to choose Jim Gordon right here as my avatar picture. So let's go ahead and choose this. So this pretty much breaks it down for you. Your profile will look like this to the following players. Close friends will see TimboSlicin, my picture of me. Then everyone else will see the picture of Jim Gordon. So let's go to OK. Now, if you did want to change your profile picture, you have the option to right here under Profile Picture. And then you can choose if you want to use your avatar or your profile picture. It says, upload your profile picture using the PlayStation app on your phone or iPhone or from the website. So you have those two different options. And you can choose whatever picture you come across on like Google or your phone if you want to go ahead and just take one. Any picture you want, you can pretty much upload and use as your close friend's profile picture. So then we can go to OK once we have that all set up, and you should be good to go. Now that you have a different profile picture or maybe even different avatar. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.